So I am trying to print more than one label at a time, and I'm unable to because first one comes out good, the second one cuts out, the third one cuts out more, the following cuts out even more, and so on. I have tried to adjust as much as possible on the settings, and I feel like I have it right. Yeah, at the 12 by 40 size label, and it's still not working. So let me show you. I think I'm gonna be sending this one back because I'm not sure if it's defective or what. So I press the button for that first one, and that comes out fine. Press the button for the second one and third, and so I don't want to waste any more because I've already wasted so many labels. This one's actually a different label because I went ahead and bought a couple of these, just thinking that maybe if there was a problem with the labels I had that came originally with this little machine. And so here it is. The first label is perfect, and then the next one is already cut off. The third one is a little bit more, so I just don't know what to do about this because there's just no way. I'm trying to print over 100 of these labels, and it's not working out for me. If you just want one label, then it's perfect, but if you want more than one, it's not going to work. So easy to use. It's heavy but light. I love it.